I don't want that light in my face. What's up, YouTube? It's the Crafty Tech. Today we're going to be changing an oil pressure sensor in the Subaru Forester. This is 2001. This is a 24 millimeter on the outside, by the way. I hope. If not, I have another socket. But you got to remove the alternator, the belt, and all these covers through the steps. Let's get to it. Alright, so first, well, we're removing the alternator. Always remove your negative battery terminal to avoid shocking yourself or destroying the computer. I don't want to reset my clock, so I'm just going to be careful. This might be stupid. Might be a better lesson in this video than I was intending. Okay, so I'm going to start by loosening this nut. Okay. Next is the little bolt right here. This can flop right out of the way. Get this 10 mil since it's on my gun. There. Okay, now you're going to need a 12 millimeter wrench. Since I got these special sockets, I can probably do it with this. Just a little bit loose so you can get this out. And remember where the washers are placed, because this goes underneath all of them. I just told you, so don't forget. Okay, and for the tensioner here, always use a ratchet, don't use an impact. I learned the hard way. See, from my experience, I know I probably won't break this side, but on the AC side, there's a little plastic threaded hole that goes in the pulley that tensions the belt, and you'll break that. Alright, loosen the pinch bolt. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now loosen the tensioner. Need an extension. Always with the ratchet on this one. Until it's loose. And then you can do this. Awesome. And then you're going to want to get that lock bolt out completely. At this point, it'll be finger tight. Alright, and the most important part is to check the camera to make sure you're actually recording, because I feel like I'm not. Got it. There. Okay. I'm just going to leave the belt in there, just slide it off the alternator. Let's see if this works. No, you gotta take the bolt out completely up here. So, there's a special nut on the back, and you just put your fingers on it and hold it. Once it's loose, fish it out. There we go. This is what it looks like. It goes long side down when you put it back. Now you can just take the bolt right out. There we go. Alright, now okay. Now this is positive for me, so I'm going to be very careful. Alright, now we look down here and you can see the oil pressure sensor. It's not that bad, but they're so cheap I decided to change it anyways. So this plug is oily, so wipe it off. And then to take it out, all you do is pull and wiggle. There you go. And then take your socket and your ratchet and take it out. I'm going to break this with one hand. It should never be that tight. There's the scoundrel. Come on. And here is the problem. It leaks right up through the plastic there. Mine was not bad yet, but like I said, they're cheap. I like to keep this car perfect. Now, new one in. Now, these threads shouldn't bottom out, okay? You just put it in pretty tight, but and there's not many cases where it's going to go all the way. So it's got this sealer on the thread. Just keep that in mind. So we'll put this in. Oh, the aftermarket's bigger. I guess I need to use a wrench. Okay, so I guess the only way to do this is with a wrench. For me anyways, I don't have a 27mm socket. Oh, that's a lie. One option is getting a Phillips screwdriver and taking off this little tang here, and you'll be able to get the socket on. Well, my socket. I don't know if you have a stubby 27mm socket at home. I'm going to do one more rotation. Okay, I don't feel comfortable going tighter than that. It's not the best thing in the world to snap these off inside the hole. Can't even drive the car if you do that. Alright, so the sensor is installed. The rest is the opposite of what I just did. I'll play that in fast motion for you guys. Alright, enjoy the time lapse. That was replacing the sensor. That concludes our repair. There it is, back in its home, or in its new home. I mean, its home was some machine in a factory over in China. Oh, I hope they like Canada a bit more. Anyways, if you like the video, you know what to do. Upload all the time. And yeah, have a good one.